The future is mobile, exploring the world of portable factories. Welcome! Today we're diving into mobile factories, also known as portable or modular factories. These are like Lego sets for grown-ups, building a whole manufacturing plant. We'll break down how they're designed, built, and set up, and the advantages they offer over traditional factories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Building blocks of innovation. Designing and constructing mobile factories. Imagine needing a factory but not wanting to be tied down to one location. That's where mobile factories come in. Compact and self-contained, like a Swiss Army knife of manufacturing. Built using modular construction, like giant Legos. Modules are built separately, shipped, and assembled on site. Each module is designed for a specific purpose, made from durable materials to withstand transportation. Hitting the road, transporting the factory of the future. So you've got your mobile factory all built and ready to go, but how do you get this behemoth to its destination? These factories are designed to be transported by truck, train, or even ship, depending on their size and the distance they need to travel. Moving something this large and complex requires serious planning, including sophisticated tie-down systems and load balancing techniques. The route needs careful planning, considering road weight limits, bridge clearances, and traffic patterns. Sometimes parts of the factory are disassembled to navigate tight spots, like taking the top off a semi-truck trailer to fit under a low bridge. Prepping the stage site preparation for a mobile factory. Before you can set up a mobile factory, you need to prep the site. This involves clearing the area, leveling the ground, and laying down gravel or concrete for a stable foundation. Sensitive equipment needs solid ground. Next, ensure all necessary utilities are hooked up, like electricity, water, and waste disposal. This might involve bringing in generators, connecting to the local power grid, or even digging wells for water access. Once the site is prepped, it's time to assemble the factory. Okay, now for the really cool part, putting all the pieces together. Remember those giant Lego blocks we talked about earlier? Well, now it's time to break out the instruction manual and start assembling our mobile factory. The modules fit together like a giant three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle, each with its own set of instructions and markings. Specialized equipment like cranes and forklifts are used to maneuver and connect the modules with precision. Once connected, it's time to hook up all the internal systems, like electrical wiring, plumbing, and ventilation. And just like that, you've gone from separate modules to a fully functional factory, ready to start production. Production on demand, operating a mobile factory. With the mobile factory all set up, it's time to start production. The process varies depending on what the factory produces. These factories function just like traditional ones, but on a smaller, more adaptable scale. They have all the same equipment, processes, and quality control measures. Often deployed in remote or temporary locations, they need to be self-sufficient with backup generators, on-site water treatment, and waste management. Once the job is done, you can pack up the entire factory and move it to a new location, ready for the next challenge. Keeping it running, maintaining and upgrading mobile factories. Regular maintenance is key to keeping these factories running smoothly and preventing downtime. This includes routine inspections, cleaning, and servicing of all machinery and equipment. Mobile factories can be easily upgraded or modified to accommodate new technologies, processes, or product lines. It's like giving your factory a software update, but instead of downloading new code, you're bolting on new parts and pieces. On to the next adventure, relocating a mobile factory. When the project is finished, or if demand shifts, it's time to pack up and move the factory to its next location. The relocation process is like hitting rewind on the assembly process. The team disconnects the modules, secures all the equipment, and prepares everything for transport. Once loaded on trucks, trains, or ships, the factory heads to the new location. The ability to easily relocate these factories allows businesses to be incredibly agile and responsive to changing market conditions. Mobile factories, the future of manufacturing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Who knew factories could be so cool, right? They're basically giant, real-life Lego sets that can be built, moved, and rebuilt wherever they're needed. From disaster relief efforts to meeting seasonal demands, Mobile factories offer flexibility and efficiency that traditional factories can't match. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Who knows what other engineering marvels we'll explore next?